Okay, today we are talking about how to install a power cord on an electric dryer. Specifically, the model and make that we are working on today is a Kenmore model 110.602222511. It is rated at 120 volt to 208 volt, 16 amp, 120 volt, 240 volt, 21 amp, and it can be 3 or 4 wire connected, depending on which type of existing receptacle you have installed already. You can usually find this data sticker on the inside of the dryer door opening. So this is taken directly from the manufacturer's owner's manual. If your outlet looks like this, you have a 4-wire receptacle, you'll need a 4-wire power cord, 10 gauge. If your outlet looks like this, you'll need a 3-wire receptacle, again 10 gauge. If you're going to hardwire your dryer to a junction box, the power supply cable must match the power supply, so 4-wire or 3-wire, and be flexible armored cable or non-metallic sheathed copper cable with ground wire, covered with flexible metallic conduit. All current carrying wires must be insulated. Again, 10 gauge wire, at least 5 feet long. And it's very important that this appliance is grounded, because in the event of a malfunction or breakdown, grounding will reduce the risk of electric shock to human beings by providing a path of least resistance for the electrical current back to ground instead of through the human body. Today, the receptacle or outlet that we already have installed is a NEMA 14-30. And again, it's rated for 30 amps, 125 to 250 volt. And you can see it takes a 4-prong plug. So it's a 4-wire receptacle. And if we double check our circuit breaker that controls this dryer outlet, you see it is rated for 30 amps. Your receptacle, your circuit breaker, and your power cord all need to be rated properly. So in this case, everything is rated for 30 amps. So again, you need your owner's manual. And here is an example of what the 30 amp receptacle or outlet looks like. You can buy these at Lowe's or Home Depot. And just a quick disclaimer, this video is not a paid promotion for any make, model, brand, or vendor that you see on this video. And this is specifically a 14-30R outlet. So say you don't have an outlet installed already, this is what you would need. You would also, of course, need your 6-foot, 30 amp, 4-prong, 10 gauge dryer power cord. So if we look at the power cord, it's 6 feet long, 30 amps, 4-prong. This is what it looks like. You see that? You see it already comes with the ring terminals clamped to the other end of the cable. So you got your 2 hots, your neutral, and your green ground. That is what you would attach to the terminal block on your dryer. And it even comes with the strain relief that will attach to the dryer as well to keep the cable from falling out or being pulled out. And we'll take a closer look at this 30 amp flush mount power outlet 14-30R. There it is. So you would install this in a 4x4 metal box. This one happens to be by Leviton. Again, 30 amps. That green ground screw is your ground. The 2 brass colored screws are your hots. The silver colored screw there is for the white wire. So there's your hot. your other hot, your white wire, your green ground. And there's a strip gauge you can see there to let you know how far to strip the wire. Excuse me. And again, rated for 30 amps. If you look at the package, it gives you a wiring diagram on the back. I apologize, it's a little blurry on camera. So if we look at the manual now, again, step 1, choose your electrical connection. Step 2, remove the terminal block cover on the back of your dryer. And then if you look on the next page, your power supply cord strain relief gets installed. You slide the power cord through. And you follow these instructions. And then this is for direct wire. You can see your flexible metal conduit there. So now let's look inside that cover on the back of the dryer. Again, the dryer currently is unplugged. You need a nut driver like this. Now we'll take a closer look at our wire connections. This is how it should look when you're done. Again, this is 4 wire connected. See our 2 hots, our neutral, our green ground, and our strain relief. Please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, and thanks for watching.